It is officially Cowboy Carter week and I am so freaking excited. I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm gonna be beaming just like this throughout this entire vlog. I promise you, that's how excited I am. Today is Tuesday and my show is on Friday, so I have a lot of prepping to do because I want it to go platinum blonde just like B for this Cowboy Carter tour. So I have a lot of work to do when it comes to prepping my hair and all that. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me, vlog this entire experience because I'm going to want to remember it forever. And I'm also kind of upset that I did not vlog my Renaissance experience, so we need to do it this time. And here we are. So first things first is hair. I got a 613 wig on Amazon. I'm praying that it will come together beautifully. I'm not a blonde girl 24/7, so I don't just know how to do blonde, but I'm hoping it'll come out good. I bought a bunch of toner and stuff from Sally's, so let's get into it. Let's just freaking do it. Okay, so this is the 613 that I will be wearing. I need to tone it so bad. We want to be platinum, not brassy yellow, okay? But this is a 13x6 and I'm so excited. This is also 22 inches, I believe. This is supposed to be 250 density. I'm not sure if the density is accurate, but it is thicker than most 613 wigs that I've worn or received, so I have a lot of faith in this. Of course, I had to go to Sally's because, like I said, we need to tone this wig. And these are the toners that I got. I honestly just went through on TikTok and just searched a bunch of 613 toner combos, options until I found one that I liked. So I'm going to be doing, of course, Wella Color Charm toner. And I got 2 T10s and 1 T27. And they said that they did it with a 30 developer, so purchase that. And now it's just time to get this freaking show on the road. But also, while I'm sitting here yapping, worried about hair, literally half of my outfit has not even shipped yet, and I'm so nervous because I thought we were going to be straight. You know, half of it shipped. I got my top, cute cowgirl hat, but my bottoms, like, and what am I going to do? I don't know. I'm not purchasing anything else. I'm gonna have to look at my closet. But I did get a whole new outfit specifically for this night. And it's Tuesday. I have not gotten a shipping notification. Order was placed sometime last week. So just pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. So today is Wednesday. Show's on Friday. And I have randomly decided that I need a digital camera. So I'm going to try and go to some antique stores and hopefully thrift one because Amazon is doing me no good and it's just way too late to try and get something semi-affordable in this amount of time. So let's go thrifting. I did not find a camera in any of those stores, so now we're getting something to eat because that wore me out. Today drained me.
Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
And I could get one on Amazon, but they're just so pricey. And I just want something cheap, quick. And all the cheap and quick ones are sold out everywhere. But whatever, dead plot is what it is. officially show day and I'm so excited. I went ahead and pin curled my hair, but literally I could not even really vlog the way I wanted to yesterday because my outfit did not show up. Outfit did not show up, and I was having a crisis. I was having a crisis this morning because I literally did not have an outfit. And tears were shed. Not gonna lie, I'm sensitive, is what it is. Tears were shed, but an outfit was found, and now we're about to get ready, and I'm so excited. So let's do our makeup and get ready to see Beyonce. I have never been more excited for something in my life. That's a lie, because I went to Renaissance and I was just excited then. But yes, I want my face to be beat, and I need this to last all freaking day. So I will be using my Danessa Myricks water powder serum. This stuff is everything. Holy fucking grail. Let's just start there. I also bought a bunch of new makeup products to use, and I'm so excited. I just want my makeup to come out really cute. I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm going to try to do this as seamlessly as I can while filming, yada yada yada, because your girl's got to go. But let's just get into it. I feel like I'm yapping a lot. Let's just do it. I'm actually thinking about priming with this and the MAC Matte Fix Spray Prime and Setting Spray. I might, just because why not? I'm trying to remember if the one size setting spray is also a primer. I'm not remembering right now, but I need this makeup to last all day and to be super matte. The one size is not a primer, but I do have this MAC. This is called Fix Matte Prep and Prime Spray. Yep. Love this stuff. Sometimes it works so like it's bad. The little spritz part, I'm just gonna spray it in my hand. And do that. MAC, y'all need to fix that. Now it's not working at all. Maybe it's enough of this. Fuck it. Danessa, I'm in the shade 8.5. This stuff is absolutely everything to me. The way it just, oh, the coverage is insane. And it literally, your makeup lasts all day. I'm not bullshitting. And if you are an oily skin girly like me, I'm telling you, you need this stuff. I don't know if I'll ever use another foundation again, to be completely honest with you. Get down to the neck. And honestly, despite my whole crisis of an outfit not coming, I really like my outfit now, and I'm so excited to take pictures and just get cute, you know? A night out with B. A night out with Beyonce. Let's get into this concealer. Well, no, because I've been wanting to try blush first, so let's do that. I also just got this new Danessa Myricks blush. It's a matte blush, and I got it in pink. I have it in red, but this one is so cute. It's in the shade It Girl. Woo! That is everything. How beautiful. This is poppin'. I love this. Because I'm trying to do a full matte look, I'm going to go in with my When Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 300. To brighten, I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage Concealer in the shade 4N. This isn't a matte concealer, but it's new. I just got it and I really want to use it. While that sets, I'm going to bronze. And I'll be using the e.l.f. Camo Bronzer that I'm always using. I'm also wearing a cowboy hat too, so I'm not really worried about like my forehead area to be quite bare. Because who cares? Who's gonna see my forehead tonight? Nobody. I literally haven't even put on my nails yet because I was so stressed out yesterday and I was supposed to do so much more than be looking for a freaking outfit, and it's kind of set me back, but we're good. We're good. And then using the brush that I did the blush with, I'm going to just bring it a little bit up under my eyes for a pink under eye. That is the new thing we are trying today. I'm hoping it comes out good. I've got a new pink setting powder, never used that before, so wish me luck, y'all. But just before I do that, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Camo blush and put a little bit of that on. Contour time, always Fenty. I'm trying to think if I should just go pink setting powder or if I should just do my usual and then do the pink. Let's go press powder first and then I'll put the pink after that. Using Pat McGrath's under eye setting powder in the shade medium. And if you didn't know, I'm like low-key blind as a bat, so I will be wearing glasses anyways. No stress. This is the pink setting powder I got. It is from Morphe. This is what it looks like. Pretty bright. Just gonna pat some down the back of my hand first. I feel like this is a lot. I'm not necessarily trying to bake, so I'm just gonna probably take some of that, buff it out. But honestly, it looks really good right now. Let's do a very quick chill nose contour. Just something, I don't know, nothing too harsh. It literally looks so good, this pink powder. I'm just gonna go in with my Dior blush and just swipe a little under my eyes. Ah, so pretty. Went ahead and set my nose contour and highlighted my nose off camera. I used a Fenty stick for the highlight and the pink powder to set the contour. Bronzer time, using NARS bronzer in the shade Laguna 6. Second bronzer is from the Ulta Beauty collection in the shade medium to dark.